What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin. For those of you who don't know me super well, I am a massive movie fan. I probably spend way too much time in movie theaters. And two of the biggest movies of the year are coming out on the same day this year. Of course, I am talking about Barbie and Oppenheimer, Barbenheimer Day. Me and my friends have been so excited about it for a while now, and so we're gonna make an entire day out of this event. We're gonna see both movies, and before that, we're gonna go to the World of Barbie exhibit in Santa Monica. I need something to wear for this day. I made this motorcycle jacket earlier this year out of a faux suede, and I really loved using this pattern. However, it took me a long time because there were a lot of new skills that I had to learn while creating the pattern. So I really wanted to remake this pattern out of a different material, try something completely new. But now that I have a lot of those skills, I want to see how fast I can do it and how much better I can do it probably. So I thought this was a great opportunity to combine both of those things. I want to remake this pattern, but I also need to make something for Barbenheimer Day. So I want to make a Ken-inspired motorcycle jacket. I'm going to do this same pattern, but I want to do it in a pink. So we're going to run to the fabric store right now, pick up that fabric, and get this project started. I wanted to give you a quick rundown as we're finishing up the fronts and all the detail work here. So I actually use zipper tape instead of buying zippers that are already finished because one, it's a lot cheaper, but two, it gives me a lot of leeway to make sure that it fits my project perfectly. So if you've never used zipper tape, it's actually pretty easy. You can cut it down to your size, and then you just need to add these ends here. You're gonna take off a little bit of the zipper, super glue these ends here, and then we'll also put stops at the top with some pliers. I like to use that a little bit more than zippers that are already fully intact because it just gives me a little bit more leeway to make it perfect for my project. We made a lot of progress over the weekend on this jacket. We have the entire front panel done, which is the thing that really sucks up a lot of your time because you have all this detail work. I'm getting really good at zippers and pockets. So this front panel is done. I have the back panel completed as well. We're gonna combine these two, and then we're gonna add some arms, and then I need to work on the lining. Guys, this is coming together much better than the last one. I am so excited. We got the core of this thing done. We're gonna keep moving forward and throw some arms on it. But we are making progress. Part is over. Putting sleeves on is probably my least favorite thing of any sewing project. It is so tough, and I'm not getting any better at it. But I'm happy with where we're at right now. We have the outside pretty much done. There's a lot of detail stuff that we have to do. I have to do the lining, but the lining goes together pretty quickly. So we're really in the home stretch here, and I'm really loving the way this is turning out. This is really cute. We're gonna keep going, make some more progress, get this thing done. And after a few finishing touches, this jacket is done.